try to stay in and be secure. I know it's hard. And she's 85, guys, and she taught me something today. My grand aunt is 85, but she's more like a grandmother. She was like a mother to my mom because my grandmother was in England. So she did the mother role. So she's like my grandmother. And she said to me at 85 years old, she said, you know, the fishermen, we go to the sea and we catch all these fish. Isn't God great that the same fish that we took out of the sea, salt water, when we take the fish out, there's no salt on it? 85 years old said that to me today. And I said, oh, shoot, yes, the fish is swimming in the seawater. And when we take it out, there's no salt on the fish. Because we were talking about eating with salt. And I'm like, yeah, I don't eat with salt. And she said, yeah, don't you find it amazing that we go to fishing, we get the fish out of the seawater and there's no salt on that fish, and that fish been living in the seawater, guys? Have you ever thought of that? That when you fry